Well, welcome back, my friends, to another rousing rendition. Hold on, let's get our eyewear ready. 22 veterans a day in this country take their own lives. It's a number that's staggering. It's a number we bring up every video, and it's very important to me. Vets, we love you. I appreciate your service and your sacrifice. I respect it a ton. I've never been in the military, don't pretend to be. Just know this, you have a place here, and don't fight this fight alone. We back to blue over here. We support Leo. How do you do that, Scab? We don't break the damn law. And finally, if you're an addict, never quit quitting. Now, this is the second time I'm doing this. I had a little cinematography, well, however you say it, snafu in the first video. I took it down immediately. I'm trying to make sure that what I put up is watchable and not just put something up to put it up. So, having said that, today is kind of an unboxing. But it's some knives that Keith Carpenter, who's been subscribed here, and I talked to Keith on Instagram a good bit. Keith sent me to test out. One is the SP53. The second is a ProLite, Cold Steel ProLite Series Tonto. Now, the other thing that they sent, Keith's wife made, my wife, Megan, a smudge stick. Thing smells awesome, and thank you guys so much for that. We appreciate the thought that went into that and the time and care to make it. Really appreciate that. I was going to take it to the Haunted Ash Church. Megan vetoed it. Smelled too good, so we got it here in the house. And truly, again, thank you for that. And for the knives to review. But anytime anybody takes the time to make something, I surely appreciate that, and so does she. Now, moving on into the knives. Let me show you the first one. It's the Cold Steel ProLite Tonto. Now, here's what I'm going to do with this knife. It's German 41/16 steel. I'm getting more and more into the Tontos. Y'all are seeing them a little more on the channel. Here's the deal. Some people like them, some people don't. It's personal preference. Whatever you prefer, that's your deal, okay? You're welcome to put in comments, hey man, I like them, I don't. It doesn't change me doing the review. I didn't like them up front, I'll be honest. But the more I use them, the more I see the purpose of them, I do really like it. Now, I did a couple quick paper cutting tests. I just don't do the whole arm hair shaving thing. I don't like crap on my blade, or anybody else's blade for that matter. But I do the paper shaving. I'm going to put a couple videos up on Instagram of doing that. And I do that. If you're not following me on Instagram, please do. It's at Choir Boys Cutlery, same as here. You'll see my beautiful shining face. I think it's probably a picture of me and my son when he graduated boot camp. I'm not sure, but I think it is. Check me out over there. The other thing is, man, if you're not on Instagram, you can see some really, really cool knives. You can. I mean, all kind of stuff. So follow us there. I'll put those up. I try to put different stuff on different platforms. But just let me give you the look at this one again. Now, in the morning for our What's in Your Pockets, I'll probably break this out and do a few paper cutting tests, put them on that video as well. The other thing is, and I really like this, by the way. The other thing is, he sent an SP53 made by Ontario. I love the Ontario series. I love Ontario. Jimbo just donated a Rat 7 that we gave away. Awesome knife. Donovan, you should get that Tuesday. At the latest Wednesday. I got a tracking number if you need it. Now, this is the SP53 Bolo. This thing is an absolute war beast. It is a 1/4 inch thick. Let me show you something. Here's the Tops El Chete to give you a quick deal. I know I'm facing the wrong way. Now, the El Chete is a little bit longer than the Bolo. But I'm telling you right now, guys, thick-wise, this Bolo is every bit as thick, every bit as tough. Now, it's a concealed tang, rubberized handle. It's got a recurve on it. Now, Keith took the coating off of here and blued it, gun blued it. But he said this was pretty much the factory edge out of the box. He said I could put a different edge on it if I wanted to. I'm not going to start with a different edge because I do. If I can catch them out of the box, guys, let's do them out of the box. I'm not sure, because this thing right here has a hellacious edge. I don't know if Keith put this one on it. Maybe put it in the comments, Bubba, and let me know. Now, Y'all know I like recurves, headed straight out to the woods tomorrow. We're going to do some tests, and we'll try to keep it in the same vein kind of as the Pacific, except we're going to do a good bit more chopping right down the road where they're clearing the land. We can get in there and bang and bruise, and that's what we're going to do. So there's those two. And Keith, thank you again for the knives to test and for the smudge stick for Megan. Now, I want to make this a quicker video. Trying to do that some where we can. I mentioned the video in the morning, the what's in your pockets, and let's use this as a what's in your pocket. Today's been more of a chill day for me. And Megatron, we kayaked yesterday, had a great weekend, and today we just hung out. So let me know what you carried today. But what I want to do in the morning times is start using that as a shout out time. If you have a favorite knife channel or a channel that you think's great, but it just didn't get the recognition you think it deserves, put it in the comments, guys. If you communicate with each other in comments, all I ask, I don't care what you talk, just keep it respectful, keep it clean, do that. Let's build community. I'm not the only one in this community, so get to know each other. That will be great. And if there's knife channels we're missing, it's easier for you guys because different regions show, all that stuff. And you may have a buddy or friend. Anyway, if you got a favorite knife channel, put it in the comments. We'll check them out, we'll shout them out, and we'll move forward. The shout out for today is Mr. CZ. Now, I did this yesterday, but I don't like doing shout outs in the middle of a cutting video. I might do a mention, but I don't want to do a shout out because I'm so flighty during those videos. Mr. CZ, there will be a link in the description below. Dude's got 17 subscribers. He does an awesome job. He puts a lot of time and a lot of effort. Please go, please give him a click, please give him a like, please subscribe and share it. Why? Because he does a great job. And I want to build community. Why? Because we're out on the periphery of YouTube. Okay? We're a community in and amongst ourselves while everybody's welcome as long as you're positive. And I'm not talking about fake shit. I'm talking about just be kind, all that crap. You're welcome. But nobody's going to do anything to push us. A huge channel, so I want to build and form a community where we lift each other up. Mr. CZ, I watched a couple of videos a day. I enjoyed them. I hope you will too. Well, guys, that's it for our Sunday night with Scab. I love y'all. God bless y'all. I'm Scab. You're not. I'm gone.